Happy Monday, third graders. We're back. I hope you had a great weekend. The third grade teachers and I have been working really hard to come up with some fun and interesting assignments for you for this week. So I'm excited to tell you about them. Don't forget, we're Zooming today at 10 o'clock, and Mr. Casal will be joining us to talk about any problems you're having with technology and just some reminders about Zoom. And we'll be talking about poetry and your social studies work from today. And also make sure that you get that link in your social studies folder of your drive. That link will be along there with two other links because we're going to be Zooming 3 times this week, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 10 o'clock. So I will see you then. For ELA today, you're going to make sure you complete 30 minutes of independent reading, no matter what you're reading. Just dedicate that time to that. ELA, also, we're going to start our poetry unit. So we're going to be working for about 2 weeks on poetry. I'm going to be talking a lot about what poetry is, what types of poetry there are, and what are the poetic devices, what are the things that poets do to make their poem come to life. So you guys are going to become poets as well. And one of the ways that poets brainstorm ideas is through creating a heart map. Some of the best poems that poets write are ones that come from what's important to them. So we want you, third graders, to make a map of what is important to you, what is in your heart. So watch my video about poetry and heart mapping, and also go down here and watch this video. This is all of the third grade teachers' heart maps and them explaining what's in their heart. You're going to do that too. So when you press on this heart map template, it's going to bring you to a blank map. You're going to print it, draw on it, use color, use words, use pictures, and then you're going to upload it to your Seesaw account. Hit on the microphone and also explain your heart map to us. But that's not due till Wednesday. So take your time and do a really good job. And make sure that you watch the videos because it will be a great way to hear what other people have done for their maps. For poetry today, if you'd also like to make your independent reading poetry, I've included a few poetry websites as well. So we're coming to the final part of our area and perimeter unit. And you've learned a lot about these two concepts. But before we move on to composite figure area tomorrow, we just want to review what a square unit means, what a squared yard look like, what a square meter, a square inch. What does that really mean? So Mr. Grazia does a great video showing what square units really means. And you're going to watch this Math Antics video just as a little review before we move on to the last bit of geometry. You're also going to complete by tomorrow these 3 math word problems. You, as always, have a choice. You can copy and paste these slides into your e-learning slideshow. And if you want to do that, you can just add a shape to put the answer. And you don't have to print it out if you don't want, and then you can just type your answer and put it in. Or, and I'm just going to delete this so that the whole grade doesn't have it. Or what you can do is you can print it out and then you can upload it onto your e-learning slideshow so that I can give you some feedback on your work. So those 3 math problems are going to be due today. If you're still looking for a challenge, Daily Math Challenge number 7. And lastly, for today is going to be social studies, and you're going to do another photograph analysis. Miss Luciano is going to explain the whole activity, so watch this video. Pretty much you're going to be clicking on this photo analysis, and you're going to be looking at this kitchen from the 1700s, and you're going to be doing a see, think, wonder on what you see, what you think, and what you wonder about this picture. You can copy and paste this into your slideshow or print it and upload later. It's up to you. So Dr. Schultz really wants you to check out. She's made an exciting new assignment. So click here to go on to her new assignment. So I will see you today at 10 o'clock and answer any questions because I know it's a lot of new stuff today. But if you can't wait, go to the e-learning questions Padlet and I will see you at 10, third graders. Have a great day. Bye.